everybody, Ray from 28 Left Productions. Yeah, I'm back. Some of you might know that I've had an injury about 2 months ago, and I really messed up my leg, and I've been in and out of the hospital now for about that time, and I've been walking with a cane now, which I've modified with a laser sight because why not? Anyway, I decided I'm going to try and get another video going because I got a new upgrade kit for my Ceda. The AK Blaster Mods aluminum bolt sled kit. Hold on, let me find the real name for it. It is the AK Blaster Mods Metal Alloy Stefan Short Dart Chamber Breech Bolt Sled Kit for Jet Ceda Toy. I'm just going to call it the AK Blaster Mod. Anyway, I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check that out. And let's see some firing footage. Okay, this is the Ceda with the Alpha kit installed from Jet Blasters themselves. So let's see what we get. Malfunction. There we go. And another malfunction. Okay, and now the AK Blaster Mods Metal Alloy Stefan Short Dart Chamber Breech Bolt Sled Kit for Jet Ceda Toy. I'm just going to call it the AK mod. And malfunction. Another malfunction. Alright. Okay, so the Alpha kit that's made by Jet for specifically the Ceda is shooting about 130, upper 120s, lower 130s. Claims 150 on the box, and I'm not getting that. I didn't see any claims for the AK Blaster Mod one, and it's hitting mid 170s. Okay. I even hit a couple of 180s there, lower 180s. So I'm going to say like 175-ish, because I didn't want to bother to do the math. But right around there. So between the two, yeah, it's a pretty nice kit. Little on the expensive side, but not completely unreasonable. For performance-wise, it seems really nice. I did have one minor complaint with it, and it seems that the when you prime it, the bolt sled doesn't go all the way back far enough. Specifically for katana mags. I don't have any Talon mags to try this on, and I think because the Talon mag has the mag well is set more forward than the katana one, which is in the middle. I think the Talon mag might actually work a little bit better on this, but I don't have any available to test this hypothesis. But that might be something I do in the future. Anyway, since I've been down, I have been looking around online and finding what stuff looks pretty cool that I might want to do. So my next video is probably going to be something about a spamf. Who knows? Anyway, over here is a video YouTube thinks you should watch. Why? I don't know. They just think you should watch it. And over here is a video that I'll add and post. I'm Ray with 28 Left Productions. I'll see y'all later.